All right, everyone. So today we're going to be meal prepping egg white muffins with broccoli and cheddar cheese. Super easy. I usually just get a carton of egg whites and I do the whole carton. So you're just going to pour it in a bowl. And then you're going to grab your cheese. You can do cheddar, you can do mozzarella, you can do whatever kind of cheese. And I usually just do about 2 handfuls. And I stick it in there. And then I buy the bag broccoli. You can get it anywhere. You can use fresh broccoli if you want to cut it up. And literally you just throw them in there. You can put as much as you want. Sometimes you get bigger pieces. I usually just take those out or I'll cut them later. And then once you put them in there, you put whatever seasoning you would like. You can do salt and pepper. I usually do everything but the seasoning from Trader Joe's. Target also has one. Walmart has their own version. I throw it in there. And then literally you're just gonna mix it all up. Put them in there. And then you kind of scoop them up. And basically you take a scoop and I usually use 1/4 cup. And you literally just put it in the muffin pan and then you fill it all the way up. And then when you're done with that, you'll put them in the oven for about 20 minutes. And then I will show you what they look like after they're all done. And then how we pack them up. All right, so this is with them all in the pan. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit more everything but the bagel seasoning on there because I like to have extra seasoning on the top. The important thing is to not overfill the cups. You really want it about 3/4 or halfway because when they bake, they will overflow. All right, now you're gonna put them in the oven for about 15 to 25 minutes, depending on your oven. All right, guys, here's the finished project. And now literally you just take them out, put them in the container, and then you pack them away for the week. The serving size is anywhere between 3 to 4, just depending on how you're feeling. I usually either just pop them in the microwave or put them back in the oven for about 10 or so minutes. And that's it.